Okay, welcome to all of our Australian market partners. My name is Shannon Massey. I'm a director with Monet, and I'm going to show you how to make between $2,050 and $3,340 in your Smart Start period. You want to start thinking about your business in the form of building blocks. What is a block? A block is one market partner that you enroll with any of the product packs and 4 VIPs. When you do those two things together, one market partner with a product pack plus 4 VIPs, you build a block and you get a block bonus. When you build 3 blocks in your Smart Start period, you also get what's called a Mo Neighborhood. A Mo Neighborhood is 3 blocks and you get a $700 bonus for a Mo Neighborhood. So let's talk about this for a second. If you want to make a lot of money in your Smart Start period, think about building your business in blocks and think about that going forward even outside of Smart Start as well. So a block is one market partner with a product pack. Your sponsor bonus for product packs, that means the person that you enroll. Every market partner that you enroll that starts with a product pack, you get between $70 as a sponsor bonus, and if they get the biggest pack, you get up to $500 as a sponsor bonus. Sponsor bonuses are always paid weekly. So between $70 and $500, whichever, depending on which your market partner chooses to start with, is their product pack. So you get those sponsoring bonuses forever. You also get what's called a VIP acquisition bonus forever, and that's $85 in Australia. And that's on top of the commissions you make on that as well. So when you sponsor a market partner with a product pack, you get your sponsor bonuses. When you also add 4 VIPs to that, you also get your commissions and you get a VIP acquisition bonus of $85. You do those two things together and you get a block bonus of $210. When you do a block 3 times, which will end up being 3 market partners and 12 VIPs in your Smart Start period, you get a $700 bonus. So to break it down for you easily, when you sponsor 3 market partners with a product pack and 12 VIPs in your Smart Start period, you are going to make over $2,050. If all 3 of your market partners start with the smaller Essentials pack. If you build a Mo Neighborhood, which again is 3 blocks, and all 3 of your market partners start with the biggest product pack, which you get a $500 bonus, sponsor bonus on each one of those, your total will be $3,340 in your Smart Start period. So again, a block is one market partner with a product pack plus 4 VIPs. You get a sponsoring bonus, you get a VIP bonus, you get those commissions on those sales, you get a block bonus, and if you do it 3 times, you get a $700 Mo Neighborhood bonus. Focus on building those blocks and try to get 3 market partners with a product pack and 12 VIPs in your Smart Start period.